Hey, how's it going? In this video, I will be going over big data in Switzerland. Start off, I'm going to be going over what is big data. The definition of big data is data that contains greater variety arriving in increasing volumes and with more velocity. This is also known as the three V's. The three V's are volume, the amount of data, velocity, the rate at which data is transferred, and variety, the many types of data that are being transferred. So, who's using big data? Within Switzerland, they've recently opened up the Swiss Data Science Center. It was opened in 2017. The center's mission is to accelerate the use of data science and machine learning techniques within academic disciplines of the ETH domain, the Swiss academic community, and the industrial sector. So, when are they using big data? Some project examples from SDSC include deep learning for biodiversity detection and classification, real-time urban pluvial flood forecasting, machine learning tools for analytical transmission electron microscopy, and then they are moving towards automated post-earthquake damage assessment. Those are just a few of the projects that the Swiss Data Science Center is currently tackling. So next, I'm going to go over where are they using big data. Data is created everywhere as users interact with the internet, and all that data is being stored by companies at their data centers all over the world. So there really isn't one specific place that you could pinpoint where they're using big data. It's pretty much being used everywhere. All right, so why are they using big data? 7 potential benefits of big data include focused and targeted promotions, customer acquisition and retention, potential risks identification. Uh, it's innovative. It allows for complex supplier networks, cost optimization, and improved efficiency. So, how can big data be utilized to achieve local SDGs? I chose 4 SDGs that big data is equipped to help us achieve. The first one is SDG 3, which has to do with health and well being. Um, Big data can be used to track biomarkers that can indicate when someone is susceptible to diabetes or any of the other non communicable illnesses that can be detected through data. Next is SDG 7. Big data can help to optimize energy consumption. SDG 7 has to deal with clean energy. SDG 8 has to do with employment and everyone having jobs, which data centers are great for creating jobs. Many jobs in the past 10 years have been created purely because of data centers. And then finally, the last sustainable development goal that I'm going to go over is SDG 9, which has to do with innovative infrastructure, which big data allows for better planning and communication within infrastructure. So finally, I'm going to be going over the 2 truths and 1 lie for this video. First is data is an asset, not a liability. The second is the world's largest data center is in the United States. And finally, it would take 180 million years to download all of the data on the internet. All right, that is the end of this video. Thank you for listening.